Hey guys, good morning. So today we are back with wait, what's it called? How I spend my day. Even forgot what it's called. Okay, it's like just gonna show you guys how I spend my day. And as you saw, I usually wake up pretty early usually at 6 or 7, around that time. That's when I wake up. So I guess my body's used to it, to waking up early. So here we are. Right now I'm just going to prepare some breakfast. Okay, I'm going to prepare snacks or bites. Okay, bites, not snacks, bites for breakfast. So right now it's currently 8 a.m. and I already did some editing some videos. Then after I finished editing, I did some cleaning, just some cleaning, a bit of cleaning. Then now I'm preparing breakfast, and I'm gonna make, what am I making? Oh, I'm making chapatis. So in case if you haven't seen, just go to it on YouTube. I'm not sure, but I'm sure it's on Instagram. So go and check it out. It's there. You'll see it. So go and check it out. You'll see the full recipe video. And yeah, that's it, I guess. I'm just gonna go step out for a bit after I'm done here. So the reason, because we usually have breakfast around 10 or 11. Yeah, so the reason why I'm making this a bit early, because it's 8 right now, 8 something, I think 8:30 or something. So the reason why I'm making this early is because the dough needs some time to rest, as much time as you can, because the more the dough rests, the more soft and fluffy it becomes. So yeah. Hey guys, so I'm just gonna run to the market to buy some fruits and veggies. Then yeah, it only takes like 20 minutes. It's not that far, or 30 minutes, I guess.
Mapache ni kilo 3,000, nusu 1,000.
So guys, this is everything that I got. I got some veggies. We got our fruits. I got an avocado, mango. No avocado and mango. I got some potatoes and some passion fruits. I'm gonna be making a juice later, so that's why I got so much fruit. Passion fruit. Then got some cucumbers, ginger, garlic, some carrots, some sort of carrots, and more passion, some lemons. Also got some sweet potatoes that I'm gonna cook sometime. Some sweet potatoes and some cassavas also. This is cardamom. It's ground cardamom, so add a nice smell and flavor also. I'm also gonna add some cinnamon sticks. They also add to the smell and flavor also. So nice. 2 tea bags. And then we're gonna let this boil for like 5 minutes. Then it's done. So whenever I make this juice, I always get like, how should I say, like fruits like mango or avocado that are just, is it mild or dull? Like, I think that's the word. I don't know what to call it. And then I always add like a tangy or citrusy fruit in there, like passion, or sometimes I add like a pineapple or lemon. Either one. I think you get it, right? This is optional if you want, but that in a strainer. Container for the juice. So what I did, so it's a bit noisy, I got the heater on. So what I did with the veggies, you saw that they had long stems, so I just cut off the long stems and then I washed them, and now I'm just going to cut them into smaller pieces. That's it.
Every time.
All the doors are closed, yeah?
Add some beef masala, curry powder. Also gonna add some pilau masala, some paprika powder, also just a little bit. Lastly, some roiko mix. Bit of veggies, some carrots that we chopped up, and some green bell peppers. We have our potatoes, which we're gonna add in a bit. So we're gonna let this cook down for a bit, mostly to break down the tomatoes first, and then after it has cooked down a bit, we're gonna add the potatoes. Just dip them in there. And just put, guys, you need to use a bigger pan because I am using a very tiny pan. All my other pans are dirty and I don't want to wash them, so yeah, but you should use a bigger pan. After a few minutes, so this is dinner, guys. Got some rice, chicken, veggies, and juice on the side. Yep. Hey guys, we finally made it to the end of my day. Yeah, so that's it. I guess it's time for, okay, it's not time for bed, it's currently almost 9:30. I checked, it was almost 9:30, so at night. So yeah, I'm already showered, I'm in bed. I'm not gonna sleep, but I might sleep soon. I usually start feeling sleepy from 10, sometimes even at 9. I feel if I had a very busy day, from 9 I start feeling sleepy. I might even fall asleep at 9, and sometimes at 10, very few times at 11. very few times I've slept at 12. Yeah, so anyway, so that's it, guys. So this is like out of 5 days a week, this is like, let's say, okay, it's almost the whole week, like how I spend my day almost every day, minus the cooking part, because usually when I cook, like how I cook today, I cook for maybe food enough for like 2 days. So if I cook today, then tomorrow I won't cook, like today and tomorrow. So it's usually 2 days. And then, but sometimes one day I might not cook for 2 days. Like some meals are just for 1 day, but most meals that I cook are usually for 2 days. So yeah, that's it, I guess. Hope this was entertaining. I don't know, I guess. I mean, it was. Anyway, guys, hope you guys enjoyed that, and we'll see what I'll do next. I don't know what I'm gonna do next, but as you can see from the video, like I'm usually busy during the daytime, so I don't have enough time to make any like separate videos for my channel. Like you can see, guys, like way back then when I used to make videos, like a lot, not a lot, but when I had some videos going on, I usually, like during my day, not day, like my lunchtime, is it day break, lunchtime, how do you call it, like during the day, like in the morning I'm usually a bit busy, but not that much. And during in the mid there, like in the after, oh, I was waiting for that, in the afternoon I was usually free, maybe resting, or I had online classes, so I was a bit free and flexible, like I could do stuff and go out. But now I'm only free like in the evening, like right now, and I'm usually tired in the evening. I don't have time to like do any other stuff because I'm usually tired. So that's why I've been quiet with content lately for a long time. So patience, guys, patience. Anyway, so yeah, that's it. See you guys in the next video. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I will probably do like a bake with me or cook with me, because I know I haven't done those in a long time and I just love doing them, so I'm gonna do more. Anyway, see you guys.